So the windows are done, and here is the one window we cut out really large and increased the height of the roof in order to basically have the possibility to have a separate entrance for the loft apartment. And now we need to get this door into this hole. And the problem is it doesn't even have the right height yet. So I might start by literally just cutting out further the wall down until I reach a reasonable height. And then I'm going to figure where in there basically I'll position the door. It's not going to be easy, I'm telling you, but we'll find a solution, won't we? What you see here, basically the good idea I had was to cut on the outside, so when I break it, it doesn't completely break bricks any further than this, and I can exactly kind of just hit it and, you know, break them off in chunks exactly at the height that I want to have the new floor, or like the bottom for the door. So definitely to keep in mind there. Worked out pretty well for me here. And look at that, down here has these kind of sweet corn things, well, corn, not sweet corn, from the rats. There used to be a lot in the house, but now they're gone. I'm apparently too noisy. Alright, so that's done. As you might have seen, I did the ground first, and then I basically just close up the walls, and yeah, it looks quite neat. I'm gonna let it dry. Gonna go another time over it with a little to smoothen it out a little better. And then I will actually have to build a wooden frame inside in order to fit the door, because the door I bought is actually a little more narrow. It's like around 90 centimeters, and this is a bit over a meter. So yeah, just like a 5 centimeter frame on each side, and there I will already be able to make sure I build it nice and straight, so I can then insert the door a little without that much free space to move, because they will already be straight once I position it. Okay, stay tuned. It's a bit scary to work here because, as you might see, yep, there's quite the drop. time has come. We're gonna try to set the door in there. Nico's back in the house and is gonna help me, because essentially the door, it will open towards the outside, which is quite the nuisance to install. So I think being two is gonna be helpful. Let's get to it.
Driving cars on a Mars tonight.